I'm a total rock star. I'm a total rock star. Hold on. No. All right. And kaboom! What just happened? My arm just glitched. Oh well.
Room 27.
June, you really shouldn't use that language.
Making my way to room 27.
Destroy the windows! Destroy everything! Stupid maid! Stupid maid! I'm gonna punch Stadia.
I'm here to go through your stuff.
Come on, come on! Come on out! Yeah! Screw you!
Oh wait, you should close the door because police is gonna come. You should go.
Now I'm gonna shoot the TV!
No pistols in there, 'cause I don't want to try to like.
Alright, now I'm gonna turn the channel! Whoa! I wanna break the bathroom door!
Time of arrival, 40 seconds.
Oh, security's coming in 40 seconds. I'm really injuring my hand here. Oh well, screw it.
30 seconds.
30 seconds? Crap! Get out of here! Get the hell out of here! Woo! I made $700. I made $700. I made $700. I got $700. Oh my God! I didn't realize I have this that much money.